Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be making okwa. So in here I have my well cleaned okwa. I soaked this okwa for 6 hours. You can as well soak yours for more than that. Since I'll be using pressure pot to cook my okwa, I don't need to soak it, like leave it for overnight. So I'm going to go ahead to transfer my okwa into my pressure pot, and after that I will add some potash water and also some extra water to cook the okwa. After that I'm going to cover the pressure pot and place it on fire. Allow the okwa to cook until it becomes soft. So this is my okwa after I'm done cooking it with my pressure pot. I transferred it into my pot to start cooking. I'm going to add in some red palm oil, some blended pepper, blended crayfish, and also some stock cube. You can as well skip it. I'll go ahead to add in some salt to it, then use my spatula to stir it and make sure I mix everything together. And after that I'm going to go ahead to cover the pot and allow it to cook on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to give my okwa a quick stir, and after that I will serve my okwa with my fried fish. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe after watching this video. Like and share this video. See you guys in my next video.